Good morning, everyone. Thanks for Robin's introduction. And it's my pleasure to be here to share with you some of our thoughts about AI with cloud native. And I'm Ren Xudong. I come from Huawei and responsible for the open source program office, as well as you can see, I'm the board member of CNCF. Okay. So first, I'd like to say we can have a look for the past several hundred years for this trend, for how this new technology deeply changed the society. As we can see, there's always a lag between once disruptive technology till this large scale adoption. In 1712, we all know the steam engine was invented and improved, but it takes another 70 years until we call it the industrial era comes. The large-scale application for this steam engine, such as Jenny textile machine, was adopted. And in that area, the 10 billion company was created, such as Ford, BMW. Of course, another example is in 1831, the law of electromagnetic induction was invented by Faraday, and also it takes another 50 years. We can see the whole society become electrical. And this Tesla invented this alternative current motor, and 100 billions level company, cap company like GE, like Siemens. And also, as we see this cloud area, everyone knows it comes. But it's back to 2013, the Docker, the CNCF community, of course, is important, plays a role. And after years, this cloud area, everyone feel it comes. So one of the signal is Microsoft, just as Jim mentioned. Market value returned to $600 billion. Of course, now it's a $3 trillion company. So the trillion level company comes to the cloud area. As we all say, I fully agree with Jim. It's just the beginning of the open source in AI, as well as not only we see the last year, December, the DeepSeek V3 was released. But it takes another years or months for intelligent area comes. I think must be some 10 trillion company is appeared. So from this technology to its widespread adoption, the fundamental changes have to be happened in this infrastructure layer. So today, from cloud to AI, is this infrastructure for AI native is ready? I think there's still many challenges. We can see there are many challenges for this cloud native infrastructure ecosystem for AI workloads. In the cluster node level, the heterogeneous hardware and the cluster complexity is lack of this simplified integration and rapid deployment. And even you could deploy this cluster performance itself is still a challenge. So the low usage of the GPU is everywhere. We all know that. And even you solve this cluster node itself, performance and deployment challenge, the cross-cluster, the hardware and software core optimization, how to do this scheduling with this topology awareness, and how to do the synergy between the algorithm and the infrastructure also is a challenge. And above that, even your cross-cluster things being solved. So how the workloads, how the software, how the service, their distributed patterns could be perfectly matched. How could orchestrate those service and workloads? So with this distributed AI shift, so all this challenge, we try to use this full stack open source solution to address it. So that's OpenEULA, OpenFreeAll, and Volcano in the node level. And the cross-cluster level, we use this Karmada project to address it. And of course, KubeEdge to solve this service coordination. And this, we see it from hardware topology awareness to the workload coordination.